Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, Dekalb, Illinois. Hey, check this out. We got a 2016 Dodge Ram, huh? Isn't this nice? 1500. Look at those nice black rims. Looks good on the truck. Dark gray in color. It's got privacy glass, wheel lip moldings, backup assist. You got a tow package, backup camera, you got keyless entry into the car. Remote start. We got to unlock that in order to open the tailgate. Nice big bed here. Clean tailgate too. I don't even think it's been used. It's a V8, 5.7 liter, one owner. It's got a clean auto check. We've checked it out mechanically, and it still has factory warranty on it. So you can buy this truck with confidence. Let's check out the inside, huh? Nice, good room back here. Crew cab. Got nice black rubber floor mats that come with the truck. Good room back there, holy cow. Power windows, door locks, mirrors. Looks like it's got the power folding mirror too. Auto headlights, fog lamps. You got buttons for the inside there, so your menu in there, cruise control, gear selector on the steering wheel if you want to do that. There's your automatic selector, 4-wheel drive, lock low, 2-wheel drive, so you can put it in. You got AM, FM, satellite radio, backup camera, navigation, heated seats, heated steering wheel, auto climate control, and dual settings. Man, this truck's got it all. You know what it's missing though? It's missing you. You need to get down here and buy this one. Hey, check out pictures at tomsparks.com. Don't forget to ask for Brad, and thanks for watching.